Fourth quarter. Good. Oh. Oh, Kale. Good work, buddy.
I thought they had a goal.
Yeah, it was great.
That was a great stop. Best play of the day.
Yeah.
No, the play of the day. That would be
Yeah.
it. That would be it. Hunter, go help him.
Good job, guys. There you go. Stay on him, Hunter. Good, Hunter. Good, Tom. Good, Kale. Good, Tom. Close him out, Hudson.
Another one, buddy.
Yep, he's here with us. Was he supposed to check in? Hey, where are you? Over there. Blue. Yeah. So when we
Good, Kale.
So when we cross the bridge, it's straight. Okay. Okay, well, she always practices. Where she seems to be. Yeah, okay, we got it. Oh. Okay, good. Okay, what time does she start? Okay, so we should be there by the time it starts. Okay, we'll see you there. Right where she practiced before. Just straight.
Yeah. Where she practiced?
Across the bridge, yeah.
Okay, I don't think I wasn't there for that one. So is it where?
Hunter, get after that ball! Speed, no, you speed. They need your help, Hunter.
Okay, stop, please.
4 on, 4 off.
Let it roll. Now talk to your buddies now. Hudson, talk to them.
It's not exact science.
Hunter, go towards the middle. Hunter, go in the middle.
Stay with him, Alex. Stay with him, Alex. Yours.
Nice, Hudson. Good, Hudson. Oh, good one.
It's an educated guess. They see the patterns of the storms and where they come in, and so they're based on that.
Hunter, run! Get that, Hunter!
Good, Hunter. Good, Hudson.
Go get it, Hunter! Move it, Hunter!
Nice, Hunter. Good pressure.
Good job!
Nice, Hudson. Good. Way to take it to the outside. You got it in the middle, too. You got it in the middle.
Talk to each other!
Good, Tom. Good, Tom. Nice, Hunter. Nice, Kale.
White.
You guys gotta keep putting pressure. Don't stop. Okay, go out, guys. Don't go back. Go forward. Push forward, guys.
now, Alex. Go, 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 go.
Go forward. There you go. Nice, AJ. So who's back?
Is it 2 weeks or just 1 week of training?
Go guys, go help them out.
AJ, far post, buddy. Far post. Nice one.
Go Enzo, careful Enzo.
Good pass, Enzo. Nice one. There you go, Rye. Finish that. Oh. Wheels back, Rye.
Get it now. Control.
There you go, Rye. Cross to the middle, Rye. You got.
Cross it. Everyone's still trying to figure out where they're going.
Step in there, Rye. Whoop.
Good.
Get in there, AJ.
Attack the ball on the pass, Joseph. Your side, Joseph.
Got it. Go, Joseph.
Go for it, Paul. Oh, right.
Oh, no.
Good stuff, buddy. As soon as they touch it, go to your side, Joseph.
Get clear, Rye. Clear it up.
Right.
Shoot it!
Good pressure on the ball.
Let's go, Pirates. Play hard, you guys.
Noah, same thing.
Ryan, you can clear it, okay, bud?
Ball on the pass.
Okay, good pass off the kickoff. Ryan, get back, bud.
There you go. Send Joseph in this corner.
Go.
Nice. Ryan, to the middle. Get to the middle.
Go, Joseph.
Step in there, Ryan. Step in. You got it, Ryan.
Go, Noah. He's about to go in.
Stop, please. Try to get one more. Help him out, guys. Who's our sweeper?
Who's sweeper, Ryan? Are you sweeper?
Get him, Drew.
Good, Ryan. Take it up. Dribble up, buddy. Go. Keep going. Get the shot, Ryan. Take the shot. Take the shot.
Don't do it, Drew.
Good. Go, AJ. Take the shot, buddy. Take the shot, AJ. Ryan, step forward, bud.